YouTube has officially updated how monetization works for shorts, and it's a big change from how things used to be. In 2025, making money on YouTube Shorts works extremely differently than the old Shorts Fund bonus system that they used to have. In this video, we'll break down everything about the new 2025 Shorts monetization update. You'll learn how Shorts are now part of the YouTube Partner Program with ad revenue sharing, what the new eligibility requirements are, how payouts and revenue structure actually work, and what new features like tipping and shopping can boost your earnings with. Instead of getting a one-off bonus from a Shorts fund, creators now earn money through ad revenue sharing, which happens on the Shorts feed. In other words, if you're in the partner program, ads that play between people's shorts will ultimately generate revenue for you. Creators get to keep up to 45% of that ad revenue associated with their short views. YouTube ultimately will keep the other 55% to cover things like music licensing. Old short fund bonuses from 2021 to 2022 have pretty much been completely phased out and replaced by this revenue sharing model, meaning that your earnings don't depend on your shorts performance with the advertisements that play alongside them. So the truth is, the better your shorts do, the more money that you can earn. YouTube has also made it very easy for smaller channels to start monetizing. As of 2023, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program with just 500 subscribers, which is down from the original 1,000 subscribers. If you have 3 public video uploads in the last 90 days and either 3,000 hours of watch time in the past year or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. This lower threshold lets you unlock monetization features like super thanks and channel memberships much quicker. However, in order to earn ad revenue from videos, you eventually still need to reach the full YPP requirements, and that's going to be about 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. The good news is shorts views now count towards those requirements, so a channel focused on shorts has a fair path to qualify. In short, more creators can start making money much sooner, and dedicated shorts creators can join the program just like anyone else out there. How do you actually get paid for shorts views? Here's a simple rundown of the new system. All of the ads showed between shorts are added up into a big revenue pool each month. YouTube then splits that pool among creators based on their share of total shorts views, counting all legitimate engaged views that follow the rules for this. For example, if your shorts got about 5% of all eligible shorts views in your country, you'd be allocated 5% of that month's shorts ad money for that country. Finally, you as a creator get to keep 45% of money allocated to you. YouTube ultimately keeps the other 55%. This means that your earnings are proportional to how many views your shorts got relative to others. In plain terms, basically, the more people that watch your short content and the more of those views that are monetizable, the bigger your slice of the revenue pie ultimately will be. Now, the truth is, ads aren't the only way that people make money from YouTube Shorts anymore. YouTube has also included additional features to help creators earn even more money from their content. One good example of this is that viewers can now use super thanks on a short. This means that they can now tip you directly on your shorts video as a one-time donation. And there's also a new shopping affiliate program for shorts. Eligible creators can tag products in their short videos and earn a commission if the viewers buy those products. These features were rolled out in 2023 and give you extra income streams beyond just ad revenue. These new updates to YouTube's monetization policy are huge, and they're super important if you want to earn the most money possible as a content creator, especially on the YouTube platform. If you guys have any questions about these updates, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Also, if you guys are interested in growing your YouTube channel, I'd highly recommend checking out some of the tools that are going to be linked down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in any of our future videos.